Hi guys, so I just wanted to go through how to edit the page that you just added, saying where your next shows are. So the first place you go when you come in here is Online Store, and then Pages, and then if you look at the bottom, it is Upcoming Show Schedule. Okay, so in the links here, if you look at the code, I have this no-follow code so that Google doesn't give any extra juice from your website to these other websites. We want the Google bots to stay on your website as long as possible, going to the different pages, and if we don't put this on here, Google will follow this other link off of your website, and we don't want that to happen, so we add the no-follow language here. So when you go to add a new show, how I would do it is copy one of your current ones and then just paste the new one and type the new name. I don't know. Show name. Okay, so then we want to change the website that it's going to go to, and then we know we put it on the top, so this is where our code is going to be. So here is the code that tells the computer where to go. So MilwaukeeShow.com or something. And then this is the part that people actually see. This is the link, is what I was trying to get at. So this is the part that people actually see. So you could even change this from it being a .com here. You could put Milwaukee Show or whatever, and it'll show up like that. I would just have to go in and delete that. And then you can just go in here, press enter to add an extra line. And so if you want to do it that way, you could also move this up here, but I want to make sure that when we do that, we hold on to the no follow portion of this. So I'm going to do it in the HTML here. So you're grabbing this division code through this closure of that division. So I want to do Control X to cut that out, and then I highlight this and Control V to paste it, and then we have that, just the one line. So it's up to you how you want to have it in there, if you want to have the entire web address displayed or not. But this is, obviously this is going to the right website if you wanted to do it that way. So I think that about covers it. Just go back to, I'm just trying to go through here and see if there's any other points. Down here, you could do the same thing. create a hyperlink out of that. So we would look for the Zirco promotions down here. And this is the first line of the Zirco promotions, it looks like. Right. Oh, here it is. Here it is. So then in this case, you could just move these words down, copy that. This is where it's telling, or it's showing us what the customer would see. And then this is the website that this is going to. So I'll leave that there for the time being to show you what it looks like. So then I would just delete this. Then you don't have to have more than one line, or you could even add in a description of what the places do if you wanted. So I'm going to put that back to how it was, and then you should be all set. So as usual, if you have any questions, let me know and I can help you out with that. All right, thanks.